In this video, we will see how we calculate discounting factor or present value factor. So, for calculation of discounting factor or present value factor, we have a formula. For discounting factor, we use the formula 1 divided by 1 plus R. For example, R means rate, discounting factor or rate of discounting. It may be, the R can be 10%, R can be 12%, R can be 15%, whatever rate, at 10, 11, 12, 15. I have taken here 10, 12, 15, and I'll show you how we can calculate the discounting factor value in a simple calculator. So here the formula is 1 divided by 1 plus R. So at the, for example, I am taking R equal to 10%. Discounting rate here is 10%. So here I'll take 1 divided by 1 plus, at the place of R I'll put 10%. 10%. So here what we can get, 1 divided by 1 plus. So here 10% means what? 10 divided by 100. So here we can write in decimal 0.1. We can write 10% in decimal, we will convert, we will find 0.1. So here 1 plus, at the place of 10% I'll write 0.1. So final value we will have 1 divided by 1.1. 1 divided by 1.1. So at the rate of discounting factor 10%, how we will find the discounting factor value for different years? Let's say for first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So here in the problems of capital busting, the life of project may be given. You may have the cash inflow, future cash value, and then with the help of this discounting factor you can be able to find the present value. For example, here I am writing year. Year may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So discounting factor, I am writing DF, discounting factor at the rate 10%. 10%. What will the value for different years? Here in simple calculator, I'll put 1 divided by 1.1. Here I am pressing 1, then the sign of division, divided by 1.1, and I'll press equal. Here see, I am getting 0.909. After decimal I'll consider 3 digit value. So here for first year DF value will be 0.909. So how you can find for the second year? Just I'll press equal sign second time. Here I am getting 0.826. 0.826. And again for third year I'll press equal sign third time. Here I am getting 0.751. So 0.751. Again for fourth year I'll press again equal sign. So here I am getting 0.683. 0.683. And for fifth year I'll again press equal sign here. See here I am getting 0.620. And here in case of this fifth year, fourth digit is 9. So if we have the fourth digit 5 or more than 5, then we will have to add 1 in the third digit. So here 0.620 and fourth digit is 5 or more than 5, that is here in this case we are getting 9. So we will add 1 in the third digit, means we have to consider the value of fifth year is 0.621, 0.621, because here fourth digit is more than 5, 5 or more than 5, then we will have to add 1 in the third digit. So like this, if you want to calculate for further years like 6th, 7th, 8th, just you have to put press sign and you will get the value. But remember this thing, that whenever fourth digit is 5 or more than 5, then you will have to add 1 in the third digit and that would be your value. So like this we can calculate with the simple calculator the discounting factor. Sometimes what happened in capital budgeting problem in Savitribai Phule Pune University financial management course, this discounting factor value may be given or may not be given. So a student gets puzzled that how we can calculate the value of discounting factor at different rates with the help of simple calculator, because in the examination simple calculator is allowed. So in this way one can calculate the value of discounting factor with the help of simple calculator.